This video is part of a series of videos where I create all of the different chart types we have in Excel. For this video, we're going to be creating the funnel chart. So we just have 3 examples. I have this first one, this second one which has a lot more data, and then we have this final one which the funnel is pointing upwards, and I just changed a few colors. If you want to see other videos in this series and you want to watch how to create all of the other different chart types we have in Excel, check out the description box below for the link to those. Alright, let's get started. So this is the data set we're going to use. There isn't going to be much. We're just going to use a very simple data set for this particular one. So this is data set. I'm just going to select my data, go over to insert, recommended charts, and we are going to go to all charts, and then we are going to use the funnel chart, and we are going to click on OK. I'm just going to increase it. So this is what a funnel chart looks like, where we just have our values, where the largest value or the size of the value determines how wide the bar is. So you can just take a look at it. It's sort of like a bar chart or a column chart, but in a funnel shape. Let's move on to the next one. Let's go to example 2. I'm just going to go ahead and insert, recommended charts, all charts, funnel, and I'm going to insert. Now in this one we have a lot more data. I want to increase it so maybe we'll be able to see. We can't see the last value because there won't be enough space for the number. So when Excel always goes with the best fit approach. If it's not going to fit, then it's not going to show the number, but probably can hover. Yeah, when you hover over it, you'll be able to see the value. So the lowest value is 1,200 and the highest value is 50,000. So that is how you just quickly demonstrate data in this funnel chart shape. Let's go over to example 3, and I'm just going to insert recommended charts, and I'm going to use funnel. Now this one, the smallest value is on top, so the funnel is essentially upside down. So this is what we have, like this. So that's pretty much it with a funnel chart. I'll just say, even with this one, we have 12 values and it's already looking too much. When you have a lot of values like this, you're better off just sticking to a bar chart. But I just wanted to show you this. I'm not going to do anything in terms of formatting, so you can come over to chart design, pick up any of these defaults if it appeals to you, or you could change the values or things like that. Let me see, just right click, go over to format chart design. Maybe I say I want to select these bars. I'll change the fill to a different color, or I could select each one. Let me say I select the second one, change the second one to a different color. Let me select this one, change it to maybe this green, so on. Let me change it to something else, this purple, so on and so forth. But let me say we want to use textures and things like that. But I'm not really going to dwell too much in terms of formatting. I just want to show you how to create funnel charts. If you watch the earlier videos in this series, I really take my time to focus on formatting, but once I did that, I just felt like we should just go straight forward to the actual charts and designing, or just creating them, not really formatting and things like that. But now that you know how to create it, you'll be able to use it in your dashboards or your analysis or whatever it is you're working on. So whenever you're using it, then you can play around with formatting. Anyway, that is it for this video. If you want to watch the other videos in this series where I create all of the other different types of charts in Excel, you can go to the description box below to the links to either the course playlist or the individual videos, or you could click on the playlist on screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.